Cobec is a community-based organization dealing on environmental conservation in Kenya. Currently, we are running a mangrove restoration program in Mida Creek, which we started the program way back in January 2021 with objective of restoring around 100 hectares of degraded mangrove sites in Mida Creek by planting 1 million mangrove seedlings, which so far we have planted around 700,000 seedlings. In implementation of this project, we work closely with community groups, which currently we have over 35 groups from Dongokundu up to Yombo. The impact of the project actually on the environment, the project is really helping in mitigation of climatical changes, and also as we understand, mangrove stock a lot of carbon, therefore it's really helping in the carbon sequestration and generally biodiversity conservation. In implementation of this restoration program, we involve different stakeholders. We involve the Kenya Wildlife Service. We work hand in hand with Kenya Forest Service, KEMFRI, and other organizations which their mandate is to restore or to conserve the Mida Creek ecosystem and the other ecosystems which surround the Mida Creek. And we as Cobec, we have been unable to implement this project through the support of Sustainable Surf under their project C-Trees, which they have been supporting community organizations in different countries in ensuring that the ecosystem which is endangered, the mangrove ecosystem, is well protected, well conserved, and well managed. Thank you so much.